Holy shit. My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron. But you can call us Autobots for short. We've learned Earth's languages through the World Wide Web. My weapons specialist, Ironhide. You feeling lucky, punk? Easy, Ironhide. Just kidding. Just wanted to show him my cannons.
Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. Now if you really like that Scatpack, it belongs to my buddy Shaka252. He has a YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link in the description and you guys can check out everything that you want to know about that build. Shaka's a great guy doing really cool things with that Scatpack. He put a wide body kit on there, put it on bags. As you can see, a full wrap, and he has some exhaust work and, you know, a lot of really cool, nice custom touches. It's a very unique looking ride.
It took about 8 to 9 months to design. Everything was hand drawn. If you check out the details, man, so the idea was I wanted a battle scene between Optimus and Megatron, of course, and this side is the Ark, which is the Autobot ship, and I wanted to stay true to form to the 80s theme of the Transformers. Just little Easter eggs in there, man. Kind of like throwing little planets in there. And big shouts out to Curvaceous Wraps and Scatpack for doing their thing on this wrap. And big shout out to CKL Wraps for hooking me up. They looked out for me big time.
And yeah, his YouTube channel is awesome. I've been subscribed for, you know, 4 years or so or something like that. So definitely go check him out. Now what I'm going to do is show you guys not just Shaka's charger, but there's also a wide body Scatpack that he was hanging out with. The level of detail in both of them is pretty insane. So again, definitely go check out Shaka252. He's got a lot of cool videos. And with that being said,
man, so tell me, from the front to back, what you got going on with the car?
All right, so we got the light and trans flow series, the headlights. I also got the grill kit, the engine bay, but it's actually closed up right now, you can't see it. Then as you can see, we got doggone the Hellboy theme. He finally done came to life.
What made you come up with the Hellboy thing?
Well, it's really like, I feel like I can relate to Hellboy. So a lot of people don't understand he was created, they say he was evil or whatever, but he actually fought against evil, and that's the story of my life, you know what I'm saying? So I can relate to it, so I had to go with it, bro.
What about wheels? You thinking about going different wheels, or you gonna?
Of course. I'm looking at some stuff right now, but I haven't made up my mind yet.
Okay, that's what's up. What's your you got Instagram, anything like that? Shout it out to the people.
Yeah, so it's Hellboy, but the boy is with an I. _392.
All right, bet. That's what's up, man. I appreciate you letting me check it out, man.
Yo, it's okay if I do a story again, but it's black and white.
Yeah.
That's gonna be to be posted on FFV Media.
Okay. Yeah, check out this detail, man. You gotta really you really gotta see this thing in person. There we go. To actually appreciate it. Look at that. Look at the scratches in his metal, bro. Look at his gun.
Yo, hey, check this out.
Look at the scratches in his gun, man. Like, and for you car, Mopar, bagged, wide body enthusiasts, I get it. I reached out to a couple of people my way in your DMs, like Scatpack Rich and some other guys that, you know, I kind of look up to in the car world. You know, I was picking your brain about the offset and everything. So I failed on one end because Ferrata is a positive offset. So looking forward to getting some wheels real soon.